The IPO of Gala Precision Engineering is now open for subscription. If you're on the fence about investing, this video is here to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the key details. The IPO opens today, which is September 2nd, and will close on September 4th. Share allotment is expected to be finalized by September 5th, and a tentative listing date on the bourses is September 9th. A quick overview about the company. Gala Precision Engineering, founded in 2009, specializes in manufacturing technical springs and special fastening solutions, including nuts and bolts catering to industries such as automotive, power and infrastructure. The spring segment is the company's biggest revenue driver, accounting for nearly 80% of its income in financial year 2024. The company's strength lies in its domain expertise, strong client relations, and the ongoing growth in India's capital expenditure. However, challenges such as a limited market scope and stiff competition could impact its future growth. Financially, Gala Precision Engineering has seen its revenue and profit after tax grow by 18% and 84% per annum respectively from financial year 2022 to financial year 2024. Post the IPO, the stock will be valued at a price to earnings ratio of 30.1 and a price to books ratio of about 2.5 times. To help you decode whether to subscribe to this IPO, we are joined by Sudeep Bandyopadhyay, Group Chairman of IndiTrade Capital. Mr. Bandyopadhyay, what's your verdict on Gala Precision Engineering IPO? Worth subscribing, or would you give it a pass?
Well, I think it's worth subscribing, Shuvash. I think, it's in a sector where there is a lot of traction and the valuation at which they have come is reasonable. I think these are the two main reasons. In brief, I will say why it is worth subscribing to.
Given the price to earnings and PB ratios of about 30 and 2.5, would you say the issue is competitively priced compared to its peers?
Yeah, to an extent, if you see the industry, I think its PE ratio varies between 25 to 50. There are companies, I mean, we know the companies in the sector. You have a Sundaram Fasteners on one end, and you have some of the other companies on the other end, but the multiples are between 25 and 50. So under the circumstances, they coming at 30, I would say is reasonable. It's not exorbitantly priced. That's point number one. And for a sector where the wind power generation is getting a lot of support from all kind of government bodies and the industry. And, Gala being in wind power in a big way, and they're pivoting towards wind power generation accessories in a big way. I think there is a merit in applying. Of course, it's a very small issue. That's another point.
Now, the components that Gala manufactures are highly critical, with niche applications resulting in a small addressable market for the company. Will this stifle growth? What I'm trying to understand here is, how will Gala Precision scale up its business?
There are three sectors in which this company operates. One is, of course, we talked about wind power generation. Other than that, they are in industrial and automotive sectors. Now, as we know, industrial and automotive, they are not, they are a sector where, these are sectors where there are a lot of competition. There are well-established players catering to these segments. And I think the scope may not be that huge immediately as far as this company is concerned. But wind power generation is one area where I think they have an advantage. And they are also, I think, stated that they want to expand in that space. They want to set up new facilities for this particular space. And I believe that this is one area which can give them a differentiated and incremental growth opportunity. Of course, they have some patent issue which they are, I think, fighting and all that. And I hope and look forward to that getting resolved soon. But beyond that, I think, yes, the fact, Suyash, I must say that this is a small company, but being small doesn't mean bad. And being small also on the other hand provides them a huge growth opportunity.